Hi, I'm Bob with Bob CNC, and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to diagnose home switches for our CNC routers. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I have the latest copy of the Universal G-Code Center open and my E3 is connected. This is the latest version at the time of the video. There may be a newer one, but it should be pretty much the same. So the window that we're interested in is the controller state DRO. DRO is for digital readout because we have the numbers. We may need to go ahead and move these other windows up a little bit so that we can get the entire window in the screen. Once we do that, we need to look down here and we can see where it says alarm. This is going to be the focus of this video. So I'm going to go ahead and use my fingertip to go ahead and press the red roller on the Z home switch. Now I want you to watch the screen. See how it says alarm Z? That's because the Z home switch is triggered. Next, I'll move over here to the Y home switch. Notice that the roller is facing up. That's so that the actual Y carriage can run into it when we home it. And I'll go ahead and hold that. Notice that it says alarm Y. That's because the Y home switch is triggered. Now next, you probably won't be able to see this on video, but you can see where my hand is, and that's where the X home switch is. And I'll go ahead and hold it. And again, you can see we have alarm X. When I release it, it goes away. Now, I hope you understand what's happening here. When the home switches are triggered, then this lights up. Why is this necessary? Well, when we actually home the machine, it's going to drive this up to a known location, and then it's going to hit that switch, and the firmware is going to understand what it needs to do. If your machine will not home, we need to make sure that these home switches are set correctly, and they need to trigger correctly. Again, this is the Z, this is the Y, and back on the back is the X home switch. I hope this has been helpful. If not, you can always get a hold of us at helpdesk@bobcnc.com. Thanks for watching.